Now let's look at figure 15-4B, and we're going to calculate the load. Now we said, yeah, looking at the information in the illustration, we had 82 kW load based upon, I think, 16 pieces of cooking equipment. So step one, we utilized table 220.56 for such loads, and I was wrong. We have 17 pieces, not 16. Allows a 65% D rate. So if there was 16, that still would fall with the 17 pieces there. So the application of the demand factors, 220.56, our table, and section 220.56, 82 times 65%, the load is 53.3 kW. So in the solution, the demand load is 53.3 kW with a note. And the note says 53.3 kW is greater than the two largest loads of 18 kW that you saw in the illustration, the figure. So if it's 16 pieces, we would fall with a 65%, or if it was 17 pieces, we would fall with 65%. So this is applying the demand factors, based upon our load that's, cooking type equipment in a restaurant or, say, a cafeteria. And that's what this figure 15-4B is illustrating, how to calculate such load.